Hi there, it's JB once again. I'm here with my model airplane. It is the Yak 54, the one that I've made a couple of videos about. So in essence, we had ordered a new 900, 800 kV electric motor for the plane. And I received I received the motor maybe a month and a half ago or so, but I've never actually installed the motor on the plane. So the weather's been just terrible, so no way, no how, no motivation to get the plane up in the air, no motivation to repair it in the first place. So now it's mid-May, and here in Montreal it seems to be getting better. So in essence, here's the box. I received this box, like I mentioned, over a month ago. I tried making a video the other day, but my camera kept shutting off. Anyways, so this came from Hobby King. Hobby King is an e-commerce hobby shop, so they have warehouses in key countries, key cities around the world. They've been in business probably about 15 years, and this probably most likely came from a China warehouse, I believe. And these are spare propellers. There's 3 of them. I don't know if you can see them. They're 10 by 8 propellers, and they're made out of some kind of plastic polymer. I'm not sure exactly what the material is. They're quite rigid, but at the same time they have a little bit of give and flex to them. That's kind of important to have on a propeller of this type, because you don't want it to break extremely easily. Sometimes you strike the ground or the grass or the runway or wherever you're flying off from, taking off or landing, and you want it to break it so easily. You want it for it to last some time, so that's oops. That's what it is. And then here you have what we call an orange receiver. Let me take it out of the plastic bag so you can see it. I just placed the camera in the box so I can open the bag. Let me get my scissors. Okay. So I'm going to take out the receiver so you can see it, because it is in a protective bag and the light's bouncing off the bag and you cannot see the receiver itself. So now you'll be able to see it. There you go. These 2 wires are the antenna for the receiver. It's the orange receiver from Hobby King. And it's compatible with various brands of transmitters out there in the market. It won't work with a Futaba though. And that's pretty much it for the receiver. It has about 6 channels, I believe. 6 or 7 channels. And I'll have to rebind it to my orange transmitter, which is in my toolbox right now. Okay. And also it came with a plug. This is the binding plug. So whenever you want to bind your transmitter to your receiver, you need this plug to get the job done. Without that, it will not work. What else? I have here a 4250 prop drive V2. It's electric motor for model airplanes. Now it comes with the hardware, everything that you need to mount the motor on the plane. The mounting bracket is the black piece here, and there's another mounting apparatus for the propeller. I can't remember how we call this part here. It's a bolt, and it goes onto the electric motor, so you can bolt the propeller on it. I can't remember what we call this piece here as of right now. So this motor in essence flies with a 40 to 50 amp electronic speed controller, and the battery required to get this motor up and running so it can reach its proper performance is a